Hi, in this video, we will learn how to open Excel data in SPSS. We have here the data of 49 students in Excel. The first step is to save the data. Go to File, Save As, click on More options. Select the Excel workbook format in Save As type if it's not selected by default. Under the file name, you can rename your file. I have saved my file in the Documents folder. Make sure you remember your file name and where you saved it. Click on Save. Now our file has been saved. Now open the SPSS software. Close the pop-up screen. Go to File, Open, Data. Change the files of type to Excel. Select the folder and then select your data file. Click on Open. If your headings are in the first row of your Excel data, you can check this option. Now check if the cell values in worksheet are correct and click OK. Now the data will open in SPSS.